Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to allow recording media and microphone audio using our screen recorder application in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to access these options? We need to go to Settings, of course, and next Advanced Features, and here we have Screenshots and Screen Recorder options. And here it is, Screen Recorder sound. We can choose to record no sound or only media, or media and microphone right here. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.